Elon Musk and Twitter. A love story that has been famed as early as 2017 when Musk first expressed interest in taking over the social media company. The Tesla and SpaceX chief recently got the green light from Twitter, stating that they accepted his $43 billion offer to buy out the popular California-founded social networking service. Currently, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX and founder of the boring company Neuralink and OpenAI, Musk seeks to add Twitter to his collection of innovative brands, a platform adored by more than 200 million daily active users, and of course, Elon Musk himself. The Techno King, as he likes to be called, regularly takes to Twitter to share his thoughts and opinions on various matters, influencing the tens of millions who follow him and an abundance of investors in the financial market as well. One can argue that Elon Musk is one of the most influential figures on the platform, alongside former US President Donald Trump, which was banned from Twitter in early 2021. Musk intends to promote free speech on Twitter and reportedly aims to privatize Twitter as part of the takeover plan. This could have immense effects on one of the most pioneering platforms of the digital era for over a decade. Established in 2006, people use Twitter for different reasons, sending around 500 million tweets on a daily basis. According to the Social Shepherd, 48% of users turn to Twitter for news, 48% for entertainment, 34% to keep contact with friends and family, 33% to follow brands, and 14% to strengthen their professional network. 12% of Twitter users also use the platform for other purposes. Let's note down Twitter's current fundamentals and technicals before learning about the latest developments within the company, the Elon Musk Twitter plan, and how this will change the business forever. First, a brief look at the company's past two-quarter results. In the fourth quarter of 2021, Twitter missed the consensus expectations. Earnings per share were 33 cents against the 35 cents expected, and revenue generated was $1.57 billion against the $1.58 billion forecasted. CFO Ned Segal said in a statement that revenue was hit by a slowdown in advertiser spending. The conundrum of former CEO Jack Dorsey stepping down from the role in November may have impacted the results as well, as uncertainty began to loom, being replaced by Parag Agrawal, which served as a chief technology officer and played a key role in creating a decentralized protocol for Twitter. In the latest quarter, things took a positive turn for the social media giant. Earnings per share were 4 cents against the 3 cents expected, and monetizable daily active users, or MDAUs, were 229 million versus the 226.9 million predicted. However, the company missed Wall Street revenue forecasts once again, generating $1.2 billion, which is $30 million less than what has been forecasted. Snapchat noted that macroeconomic trends have weighed down on advertisers, which could also have affected Twitter in this quarter, just like the previous one. The general fundamentals of Twitter aren't too bad. First, the company's profitability outperforms more than 70% of the industry. It has a return on assets figure of 1.65%, which is much better than the industry average of -6%, and a profit margin of 4.27%, miles away from the industry average of -12%. Second, growth. Twitter exhibits strong growth in earnings per share, growing by a solid 343% in the last year. The average analyst consensus is that Twitter's EPS will grow by 25% per annum in the next 5 years. Now, how does the Twitter stock seem from a technical perspective? The stock exhibits positive short and long-term trends, and the stock outperforms 92% of the 82 stocks in the same sector of interactive media and services. Currently priced at $49, the Twitter stock is trading between a support level of $44 and a resistance level of $49 and a higher one near $51. As you can see, the stock surged from the near $40 price tag by over 25% after Elon Musk announced that he owns a 9% stake in the company. After that, the stock price has barely pulled back. It's worthy to note that the stock is currently showing a bull flag pattern. This occurs when prices retreat slightly after a strong escalation, and this serves as an attractive point of entry opportunity for investors. Away from numbers and figures and on towards the latest developments. In recent reports, Elon Musk, the soon-to-be new Twitter CEO, told potential investors, including private equity firms, that after the privatization of the company, he could take Twitter public again after as little as 3 years of acquisition, with the takeover deal expected to finalize later on this year. Another recent revelation is that the tech billionaire added that the social media platform will remain free for casual users, but businesses and governments may have to pay to use the services of the platform. And now, how will Elon Musk change Twitter forever? First, the focus on free speech. Mr. Musk has stated time and time again that one of the main objectives behind the Twitter acquisition is that he aims to promote free speech and minimize content moderation. As said by the current Tesla CEO, free speech is the bedrock of a functioning democracy, and Twitter is the digital town square where matters vital to the future of humanity are debated. This will change Twitter a lot, for better or worse. That's up to you to decide. More people will voice their opinions, thoughts, and feelings on the platform, and influential figures like former US President Donald Trump will not be silenced anymore. Second, the riddance of bots and trolls. Lately in the Met Gala, Elon Musk reiterated that he aims to rid Twitter of scams, bots, and trolls, arguing that they diminish the user experience of facilitating useful discussions and the sharing of content between people. Ultimately, this could generate much more usage and app traffic, which translates to more revenue earned from advertisers. This could push Twitter to become a regularly profitable company once again. Since going public in 2013, the company has only turned an annual profit in 2018 and 2019, and Elon Musk can turn the tables and revive the potential of the social media behemoth once again. This has been analyst Ali Delami, and I hope you enjoyed this exclusive video presented by Alpho. Do you think Elon Musk will change Twitter for better or worse? Share your opinion with us in the comment section below. Like the video and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy content like this. And if you want to be up to date with the latest hot topics of the market. I'll see you in the next one.